About to hit the shaft, we can knock us a bed. Had the flash on the nigga, then he skirted out. That's the LA shit, you know what I'm talking about. Nigga, I'm a rep where I'm from, ain't no bitching out. Make him lean like a cholo when his gun is out. My real vatos with the biz, I'm at their family's house. Sipping on Coronas on their couch when I'm thugging out. Your phone got helicopter, so what's this you talking about? It really mean nothing when I'm all they talk about. I really get dough when that's something you not about. And me being broke, that is something I won't allow. Times getting hard, got the world in my hands. European wheels headed back to the brand. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas.
I'm frozen. Down the brands in the beans. Just left the block, I'm trying to make it to the one. Red lights. I don't fuck with them. Never wanna be a victim of a that's him. Them yellow lights. I zoom past them, cause if I stop, they got time to assume that's him. Them green lights, that mean everything could go. These hoes go, this money go like the bullets out this road for. Summertime in Cali, gotta make sure you strap it up. Hey, bitch, when you gon' hop in the car, wrap it up. Niggas be stealing my feeling, I be mad as fuck. The swag, I got contagious. So I'm shake hands, I capped it up. I ran to the block when they was trying to save me. My plan worked, I'm $1 million baby, but fuck it. I'm about to put the pins on B's, and you know I ain't lying when I put it on P. Back to the bros.
Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas.
Cruising down the street in my 6-0, sipping on a michelada while my Henny gets cold. You should know when I roll, gee, I'm up to something. Windows down, system look, I ain't trying to bump it. Turn right, cause the left might make you wait. On these streets, it don't pause, everyone's out to flip. No rewind if you die, so I'm going fast forward. I was young, Brucey Street, looking over both shoulders. Nothing changed, still blues up the same block. Yes, I paid for my rims, no, they ain't hot. Driving in the ghetto, the streets I was raised in. Smoking, getting high like a goddamn Jamaican. People side to side, I could even back cake.
A vyšla až von z toho.
Sipping on my Henny, I can't even chase it. Ever try and wonder, I will demonstrate it.
Takže čaute, moje meno je Radko Václav. To je veľmi dobre zorganizované, ale je tu dosť málo ľudí. Neviem kvôli čomu. Lebo sa im nechce cestovať, nemajú peniaze na vlak. I keď je to zadarmo, tak sú to lacné výhovorky. Ježišmária! Ja som chcel byť youtuber.
Čaute všetci, moje meno je Jakub Lejko, a.k.a. Lejkis na Street Cup. Partia chalanov proste čo jazdia. To BMX je pre mňa v podstate veľká rodina. Kopec zabaví, skills, proste hecujeme sa za radou. Akože speaker, kvalitka, celková organizácia je masaker.
Ja som Ondrej Valent, z Trnavy, mám 15 rokov. Street Cup je super akcia a som rád, že sa tento rok to organizuje, lebo to zakapalo minulý rok, tuším. Neviem, jak to bolo.
Ty koko, to bude profilečka.
Ale inak v pohodičke, však stretávame sa tu známi ľudia. Podľa mňa v pohode.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us fight to be slaves. And everybody's just walking around, head in the clouds, who wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end of days.
Everybody is slaves, only some are aware that the government releasing poison in the air. That's the reason I collect so many guns in my lair. I ain't never caught slipping, never underprepared. Yeah, they shade sign on me, they just spray it proudly. George Bush, the grandson of Alistair Crowley. They want you to believe the lie that the enemy Saudi. The enemy ain't Saudi, the enemy around me. It's fluoride in the water, but nobody know that. It's also a prominent ingredient in Prozac. For real? How could any government bestow that upon people who believe in political throwback? That's not all that I'm here to present you. I know about the Black Pope and Solomon's Temple. Yeah. About the Vatican assassins and how they will get you, and how they clone Barack Hussein Obama in a test tube.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us fight to be slaves. And everybody's just walking around, I wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up.
Whoever built the pyramids had knowledge of electrical power, and you know that that's the information that they suppress and devour. Who you think the motherfucker motherfuckers that crashed in the tower. Who you think that made it turn into action in an hour? The same ones that invaded your own. The ones that never told you about the skeletons on the moon. Yeah, the ones that poison all the food you consume. The ones that never told you about the Mount Vesuvius tombs. The bird flu is a lie, the swine flu is a lie. Why would that even come as a surprise? Yeah, the polio vaccine made you die. It caused cancer and it cost a lot of people their lives. Do y'all know about Bohemian Grove? How the world leaders sacrificing children in rows? Lucifer is God in the public school system. I suggest you open up your ears and you listen.